Teacher Aya, English stories, lessons, and more. Once upon a time, in a cozy little house, there lived two siblings named Mia and Leo. Mia was the older sister, organized and quick to speak her mind. Leo, the younger brother, was playful and a bit stubborn. Every Saturday morning, their dad would give them chores. Mia had to sweep the floor and Leo had to wash the dishes. Simple enough, but not for them.
I swept last week.
Leo complained one morning even though he hadn't.
That's not true! You always try to switch chores with me!
Soon, the two were arguing loudly. The broom was left in the corner, the dishes piled up in the sink, and their voices echoed through the house.
I'm not doing it!
Leo shouted.
Fine, then I won't either!
Mia crossed her arms. Unfortunately for them, their dad had heard everything. He walked into the room with a serious look.
What's going on here?
The siblings froze. After hearing both sides and seeing that no chores had been done, their dad shook his head.
If you can't work together and take responsibility, then neither of you gets to play outside. Watch TV or use your gadgets for a week. You're both grounded.
A week? That's so long! Please, not a week.
And just like that, their fun plans disappeared. The first few days were tough. Mia missed her favorite shows, and Leo missed playing with his friends. The house felt quieter and a little sad. By the third day, Mia sighed.
I guess arguing didn't help at all.
Leo nodded.
Yeah, if we had just done our chores, we wouldn't be in trouble.
They started talking more calmly. They even helped each other finish small tasks around the house even though they were still grounded. By the end of the week, something had changed. When Saturday came, their dad gave them the same chores. Mia picked up the broom without complaining. Leo went straight to the sink.
Need help? Sure, we can finish faster together.
Their dad watched from the doorway, this time with a proud smile.
Looks like you two learned something.
We did. Yeah, no more fighting over chores.
From that day on, Saturdays became much easier and even a little fun. The siblings learned that working together was better than arguing, and being responsible made everyone happier. And so, their home was not just clean, but peaceful too. The moral lesson of the story is working together and taking responsibility make tasks easier and keeps peace in the family.